How do you fix Realm of Ink is crashing on Steam? So first you will need to right click on the game and open up the properties, and then in the general tab launch options you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is in the description below. Now, from this table here, you'll need to download and install the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables. And once you finish the installation, it will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, you will also need to open up your GPU app. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software, depending on which GPU you're running. Now go to drivers, check for the latest driver updates and make sure to install them. And once you finish the installation, all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.